Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can disable the shortcuts in your Waterfox web browser's home feed or home screen. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so let me launch the Waterfox browser on my desktop computer. And you can see here on the home screen, guys, these shortcuts. So if I open a new tab, these will be displayed here on my home screen, resembling the most recently and frequently visited website. So if you'd like to disable these guys, there are two ways. Option number one, you do this one by one for each entry. To do that, simply hover your mouse over the given entry, clicking into these three dots in the top right corner, open menu, and select dismiss. Or you may also delete the entire entry from your browsing history if you like. That's option number one. Option number two, guys, you navigate to your customization menu here in the bottom right corner by clicking into that gear icon and disable shortcuts entirely. Alternatively, guys, you may select also 2, 3, or 4 rows here if you'd like to see more of the shortcut. But again, if you'd like to disable these, simply switch them off here, and they're gone, as you can see, guys. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.